full throttle level smoking. Wacht even. So we'll place it now. Let this go for 20 seconds. So 33, 34, 11, turn man. Kijk. Die got him. Die spot. Nee, niet schieten. Take dit.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Oké. Start het nu. Nu nog het die kan doen. Vooraan zitten.
Yeah, it's probably a destroyer over here.
Maybe can set a fire on it now. Schiet 1 keer achter me in. Ja, iets lager. Yes, they're two.
Reporting the target position.
Okay, then we're going to try to beat those dead side. En die kant bij de A. Daar ook weer een muurtje in te brengen, zo recht vooruit weer. Gas. Anders ben je uit de range, Lindy. Gewoon daar gooien. Eentje daar. En hij komt er ook terug. Nee, er nog één. Ik denk dat het hetzelfde plek. En dan even erin draaien. Oh. Try to stay alive, man.
Engine boost deactivated.
They're kind of over here where I was, by A.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go, yeah.
Figured that much, but the smoke screen on this side is... Okay, draai nog iets, stoppen. Torpedo's in. 12 seconds, backing up, back up man. Back up man. En die schiet in. Ja, oké, dit motherfucker echt voor dit. Dun, ervoor. Daar hè. En gas. Schiet ook even.
All
Laat het eruit laten gaan.
stations reporting the position of a strategic target.
Oei, nice. Laat zien of zo'n torpedo zit. Nee, nog torpedo's dus. Ja, even draaien. Erin. Draai. I got the torpedoes for him on this side. Oh! Hey!
You got lucky on that one.
Wow!
Nice work.
Ooh.
Now it's getting heavy.
Ooh.
Okay, you're getting sick of just laying there. Urgh.
20 seconds. New smoke. 16, 15. I can smoke up Mr. Arkansas. Need intelligence.
Smoke generator started.
Ja, ik vond het even.
Critical engine damage.
Okay, that is the last
The ship is on fire.
kind of HP I got.
Smoke screen set.
Je bent 1200.
Yeah, 1200. torpedoes heading the right direction. If he's faster, then we're lucky. You got no
Watch out.
torpedoes for that side, man.
That's right. That's our
Engine
go,
boost
go.
activated.
The middle in here.
yeah.
He's circling back around.
Oh shit, you don't say.
Achteruit.
Battleship should have a hit on him in a second.
Yep.
Arkansas.
Goed even. Close.
Okay, come on, baby.
Straight. Straight.
Here we go. Got more torpedoes. How is he laying there?
He's stuck.
Torpedoes astern.
He's stuck?
Yep, he's stuck. Oh, he got Arkansas with one torpedo.
Oh, my
He's backing
torpedoes
up.
are blocking him.
There's coming.
You got more.
Fire.
Yeah.
Hey, nice
Okay. This is good.
Alright. Another win.
Yeah. I'm going again with Clemson.
I haven't even got this many consecutive wins on here so far.
Huh? What did you say?
Let's see. I said I haven't even gotten this many consecutive wins yet.
No, I mean needed.
Let's see.
Good. I like to go to the end.
Yep, let's see if we can.
In a couple of games. Instead of plowing all night long.
Yeah. Let's see.
When you feel like I don't like to play, then you win.
Hmm.
You, oh,
Okay.
if you win, if not,
We're in the open. This is not so good. But I will just do the same thing again. Going
What the fucking small man.
behind the small island. Come on. Throttle.
Okay.
When I'm going about the 30s. I will smoke the island here. Yes? Smoke.
Now we got two Kaisers versus Kaiser and Gary. I have been spotted.
How is this possible? We're in the smoke now.
Gotta do what it do.
It's all good. We'll see where the fire comes from.
Smoke screen set.
It must be the torpedo.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
There's the Kaiser. Start shelling this guy.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
Out of range for me.
The right. Straight up there.
Oh, and the torpedo is in the. He's shooting at you. He's about to enter A, I believe.
What, the destroyer?
Yes,
Yeah.
destroy it and
See? The only one that can be in A is to destroy it.
Yeah.
So
It's
we
here
have to
somewhere.
watch out.
Point into
Let's see which the other ship is. I will try to go to A with a circle. Hey man, where the other guys all the way over there? What's he doing?
the hit.
He's getting hit.
Oh, that's why the battleships went that way.
Engine boost deactivated.
Try to light him up.
Yeah.
Turning up on that side.
Yep, he's hitting me.
I haven't seen.
Oh, you cannot hit me.
Yeah, hey, it's the jet torpedoes. Idiot. I will go after to destroy it.
Yeah.
You guys try to stay alive. Where is it? He's here.
Laat hem uit de penis gooien.
Burn, baby. Come on. A little bit.
Oh,
You almost killed him.
he just got a massive hit on me. Got stuck by that rock. Oh, the
Got
battleship's
the
dead.
torpedoes out.
Enemy destroyer blown up.
Most of my shells just bounced. Yeah, I'm about to die.
We ain't losing now, bro.
If I can survive just a little bit longer, I can at least kill this one. Yeah.
On the left, hope left. Shit.
It's burning.
Guys, it's burning.
Okay. Torpedo, get him. No, those missed.
How am I going to do this by myself?
Yeah, I didn't know other dude was trying to swing to the left like that.
Oh, me neither.
Let's see who's visible.
I see one.
That guy.
Yeah, there's no more there.
Is that the only one? No, that's
I
not
don't
the
know
only
where
one.
Kaiser is.
Kaiser is dead.
Oh, he's dead.
Yeah.
Alright.
Engine boost activated.
Damn.
Yeah, he got you a little bit.
Let's
How much
try.
longer for your torpedoes reload?
Yeah, I'm going to try to just push my luck here.
You got your torpedoes ready?
Yeah. One side, two sides.
Alright, yeah.
No!
Aww.
Oh, pardon my French.
I lost a star.
Okay. I'm gonna tweak my commander a little bit.
Alright.
Let me bring up this. Yep, cool down all consumptions. Cool. Okay. I'm ready. Maar je hebt geen camo's zie ik erop. Je moet even een camootje erop doen.
Oh ja.
Zo'n sterk camouflage. Damn, almost hit him.
Ken je al dat tekenen?
5 games in a row, 4 games in a row.